Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today we're going to go ahead and get into some dBrand skins. Before I get started, I do want to give a huge shout out for dBrand for dropping me a skin for the S9 Plus and the iPhone 10. Now in this video, we're not even going to mess with the iPhone 10. We're going to go ahead and dive straight into the S9 Plus one. They did send me the black camo, and I think I told them to send me the black camo and surprise me for the iPhone 10. And if I'm not mistaken, for the iPhone 10, they did send me another color, but we'll get into that for another video. Today we're focusing on the S9 Plus dBrand skin. So I'm going to do the installation, but I may not show you guys. I'm actually going to flip the camera around, show you my installation, but I might just do a time lapse because I already know it's going to be tough. I already know it's going to give me a hard time. So let's just go ahead, dive into it. Skins are tough. I can't say that I'm not intimidated on installing this skin, but let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's get you turned around. Let's face the desk and let's get into it.
Ross B.
Okay, so after a few minutes, we have the black camo dBrand skin installed on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I thought this install was going to be absolutely dreadful, but it turned out not to be bad at all. It maybe took me 8 minutes. I'm going to say probably 8 minutes at best. And as you can see, the details and everything going around it looks pretty good. I mean, the edges for the most part are spot on. You can see there's a little bit right here where it may be crooked and it might be just not pulled down all the way. So it might be a little bit there. But for the most part, I mean, for my first time doing a skin on a phone, it actually turned out very good. The install for the most part was pretty good. It might be crooked in some areas, but when you're looking at it and holding on to it, you really can't feel any overlapping plastic when dealing with the skin. So this is the black camo from dBrand. Very nice quality skin. I'm actually going to be using it in conjunction with my Patchworks mono grip case. So popping my Patchworks case in here, it doesn't do too much peeling up. Now I used to run the white stone. Actually, it does peel up a little bit here on the corners there. So popping this back off, I will not be using the case. I think this case may be a little bit too tight fitting when it comes to a screen, and I'll hit that with the heat gun to get it pressed completely back down. But that's something to take note of. Using this with an actual case may serve an issue, because especially if you're using tight fitting cases like I do, and what I always recommend and suggest to you guys on my channel, just be aware that it might cause issues of it not fitting. And like you just saw on that back corner down here, it actually peeled up when I popped my Patchworks mono grip case in. So I guess I'll really be finding another case, or I might just be rocking my S9 Plus naked, because I really enjoyed this look of the black camo on the S9 Plus. But I will leave the link to this dBrand skin in the description below. Like I said, installation was pretty straightforward. The only thing you needed was a hair dryer or a heat gun. I used the heat gun, used it on low so it didn't damage the skin, and it worked out absolutely perfectly. Install went great. And like I said, I also have one for the iPhone 10. So if that's the video you guys want to see with the dBrand on the iPhone 10, and maybe if you guys want to see me actually step through the process of the installation, let me know. I feel like it won't be as hard. Hopefully it won't be as hard as the S9 Plus, but if that's something you guys want to see, let me know and we can do an installation video. Maybe I can go live or whatever you want to, whatever you feel like my subs want to see when it comes to a dBrand installation. Let me know. I want to help you guys out as much as possible when it comes to installing these, because I know it can be a challenge. But like I said, I will leave the product link down in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Once again, shout out for dBrand for sending me out this skin. Big salute to you guys for sending this out to me to review on my channel. But as always, I'll catch you next time, guys. Later.